Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Janine of TBOQ Crochet, and in today's video I have one of the oldest projects or WIPs we like to say in the crochet community. I have one of the oldest projects that I've completed. It's been about when I started back crocheting, so that was 2, maybe 3 years now. I started with this project, and so then I put it to the side and I started working on other things, such as creating my bags when I started getting thoughts about bag designs. So I've actually put this project to the side and I finally finished it, and I'm ready to reveal it. It is a blanket, I want to tell you, so you'll know what it is, and just won't be too surprised. But this blanket I started working on, and it is one that is very colorful. I was working with scrap yarn here and there that I actually use because when I first started back crocheting, I took like, you know, little small balls of yarn, and I used it to help me perfect my stitches. I used it also to help me with knowing, you know, which stitch was which, like how to make a chain, how to make a single crochet, how to make a foundation chain, how to make a double crochet, so forth and so on. All the stitches needed to actually you know, have to make good crochet projects. And so I use those yarns, and then what was left over, I started making this blanket. And so like I said, I put it to the side and I would work on it here and there, and I had to even take this blanket loose, not a lot, because I had let it sit for so long that I forgot what stitch I was using, and I was using a half double crochet in the back loop only, and so I forgot what stitch I was using, and I had to, you know, take it loose just to see go back and see what stitch I was using. So I was able to complete it, and I actually added some I added an old throw to the back of it, so I sewed that. But let me stop rambling on and get to the project, because you all probably saying, where's the project? Okay, so here's the project. I need to show you how long it is. So I'm going to back up my tripod a little bit, and I'll stand up. And this is the blanket. I call this blanket Knots of Love, just because where I had like knots from changing over changing the yarn, going from one color to another, I had little bitty small knots. You couldn't really see them, but that's where I took like little hearts, different colors, and put them on there. But this is my blanket. It's cute. I like how it came out. It's you know, different colors, different shades of pink, different shades of yellow, different shades of green, blue, so forth and so on. It's pretty long. I have it up to my neck right here, and it's on the floor. It's actually covering up my feet, and I am about 5'6". So that gives you some idea of how long the blanket is. But this is my Knots of Love blanket. And like I said, I took an old throw and added to the back. So this is a throw that I just it was sitting around. I would use it to just cover me up, like if I was to take a nap or whatever, but I wasn't using it that much because, you know, sometimes we throw one thing aside and go get something else. But this was one of my many throws that I do have. Now I have a crochet blanket that I can actually use to cover me up when I take a nap or whatever. So yeah, this is my oldest project. It is about 2.5 to 3 years old. And I finally finished it. So I am happy about that. And that means that I can move forward to other projects that I desire for myself, other than working on my crochet handbags for my business. So that is it. And if you like this blanket, give me a comment, like the video. And do you have a older you know, an old project that's just sitting around, you haven't completed, and you want to get it completed? Maybe this is some inspiration to let you guys know that hey, you can pull those old WIPs out and take it one day at a time and get it done. So I finally finished my oldest WIP. So if you like what you're seeing in this video, give me a thumbs up, comment. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It helps to get me get my channel out into the algorithm. And let me know what you guys think, or what you're working on. What is your oldest project that you may have just laying around? I thank all my subscribers, and I thank everyone that comments on this channel, on my videos. I really appreciate it. And I am still on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I hope to be there before the year is out. I'm at 38, so guys, please subscribe to this channel. Let me know what other things you like to see. I know this channel is mainly about my crochet handbags and TBOQ, but I do have other projects that I desire for myself that I choose to show my audience as well. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.